Yes, students, I am back with your maths class. Last class we saw the estimation of sum and difference. Related to it, we solved question number 1 and 2 of exercise 1.3. I gave you homework related to question 2 also. Hope you have done it. No doubt has been come from any student up till now. So hope it is clear to all. Now I am proceeding to estimation of products. How to estimate products. So the rule is same, the procedure is same. To what procedure we followed for estimation of sum and difference. As we were rounding off the numbers who are going to get operate to the greatest place, and then we were doing sum or difference. Now here we have to find the product, that is you have to multiply it. So I will solve some examples, you will get idea, and then we will proceed to next question. Now examples, estimate the products 28 multiplied by 67. Now here 28 multiplied by 67, you can round off both the numbers by nearest tens. So here I have rounded off 28. If you round off to nearest tens, you get 30. 67 you can round off and you get 70. And then multiply it. So say 30 into 70, this is 2100. Last statement we have to write, estimated product is 2100. Similarly, second question, 927 into 376. So maximum these two numbers, they can be rounded off to nearest hundreds. So if you round off 927 to nearest hundreds, again looking at the tens place, this you will get 900. Here 376 you will get as 400 multiplied. So 9 fours are 36, again 4 zeros. So there is no such rule. At this point I have discussed during the explanation of sum and difference. There is no such rule of rounding off, that it has to be rounded off to nearest hundreds only or tens only. If it is specified in the question that round off to greatest place or round off to hundreds, then compulsorily you have to round off. Otherwise, the general rule is round off the numbers to the greatest place. Now, here there are third example. It is 79 into 192. These two numbers, if you see 79, it can be round off to nearest tens. Tens when we round off, it will be 80. Here maximum place, it can be round off to nearest hundreds. So here we get 80 into 200. Multiply it, that is the answer. So here just we have to write rounding off 79 to nearest tens, we get 79 against ones place, it will be 80. Now rounding off 192 to nearest hundreds. So here rounding off 192 to nearest hundreds, we get hundreds means look at the tens place. So 192, if you round off, it will be 200. So you have rounded out differently. Now multiply it. So this is 80 into 200. This is 1600. Yes. So again you have to write estimated product is 16,000. Right? Now fourth one, 87 into 221. This you can round off to nearest tens. When you round off to nearest tens, this will be 90. This you round off to nearest hundreds, this will be 200. We are doing this to make the multiplication easy. So now rounding off, '87 to nearest tens, we get, so 87, again look at the ones place, greater than 5, this will be 90. Yes. Now rounding off, 221 to nearest hundreds. We get 221. Look at the tens place. Yes, this is 200. Now multiply it. This will be 90 into 200. That is 9 twos are 18 and 3 zeros. This will be 18,000. Write the final statement. Estimated product is 18,000. So these are the 4 examples I have shown. Right? Like this only you have to solve exercise 1.3. Third question. Now in third question again it is written, estimate the following products using general rule. General rule means any rule you can apply. If you want to round it off by hundreds, you can do it. Rounding out by 1000, you can do it. It should be easy. Estimation should be easy. Your operation should be easy. Round off that way. Make 4 more such examples. It is written, make 4 more such examples means show 4 examples like that only. So these examples I have explained, this only you have to write. Right? Okay? Yes. Now first is A 578 into 161. Maximum you can round off 578 to nearest hundreds. This will be 600. 161, if you round off to nearest hundred, again this will be 200 and then multiply it. This is the answer. So both the numbers you can round it off to nearest hundreds. So write down rounding off both numbers to nearest hundreds, we get 578. Hundreds means tens place. This is 600. 161 means 200. Now multiply it. So this is 600 into 200. This 6 into 2 is 12. 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can write with Indian system 1,20,000. Again write the final statement. Estimated product is 1,20,000. Yes. Now B1, 5281 into 3491. Both are 4-digit numbers. Now if I round off 5281 to nearest thousands, looking at the again hundreds place, it will be 5000s. I can round off this to nearest hundreds also or thousands also. If I round off to nearest hundreds, this will be 3500. It will be easy. So I will round off this to nearest thousands and this to nearest hundreds, and then we will multiply it. Okay. So here it is rounding off 5281 to nearest thousands. We get this will be 5000. Similarly, we will rounding off 3491 to nearest hundreds. We get, you can round off this number to nearest thousands also, no problem. You can round off to nearest hundreds. If you do like that, multiplication will be more easy. So 3491, you will get 3500. Just multiply it. 5000 into 3500 is equal to, so 35 into 5, yes, that is 175. So this is 175. So this is 17 lakhs 50,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this is the answer. You have to write now estimated product is, that you will be writing. Now another is 1291 into 592. This you can round off 1291 to nearest thousands, you will get 1300. This you can round off to nearest hundreds, you will get 600. Multiply it. So rounding off 1291 to nearest thousands, we get 1291, you will get as 1300. Looking at this place, then rounding off 592 to nearest hundreds, we get 592. If you round off, this will be 600. Now this will be 300, 1300 into 600. So this will be 678 0 0 0 0. Okay? Yes. Now this we have rounded off to thousands, this to hundreds and multiply it. So this is 78 7,80,000. Now similarly D1 9250 into 29. Rounding off this to nearest thousand, you will get 9,000. These two tens, you will get 30. Multiply it. So rounding off 9250 to nearest thousands, we get, so 9250, it is 9,000. Similarly, round off, maximum is 10, so rounding off 29 to nearest tens, we get 29, it is 30. Multiply it, you will get 27. So 900 into 30, this is 27,000. Yes? So this is the answer. Again write, I have not written the statement estimated product is, that you have to write. So these are the 4 ABCD, 4 sums, plus you have to write these 4 examples, because in connection it is written, make 4 such examples. Okay, this completes your exercise 1.3. Next topic after this is Roman numerals. Roman numerals you have studied from class 4th, 3rd or 4th. This is, I will give a recap of that and some problems we will be solving. Okay, thank you.